Hi everyone, it's Bernice from BERNICE'S Reviews, here to give my reviews on these absolutely wonderful reciprocating saw blades. These blades come in a pack of 40 that would help you when you are doing most of your DIY projects in your home. They come from very small all the way up to very large. The orange blades are primarily for wood. These black blades are primarily for plastic. But this can do pruning. This is a pruning blade right here. This can do other wood projects, and the smaller edges would be for a finer cut. It can cut through PC pipe, metal, you name it. It can tackle most of your DIY projects in your home. It's so nicely packaged. If you even have a loved one or someone special to you, this is a wonderful gift to give. Say, for instance, on Father's Day. Very nice DIY kit. And look how nice it closes up. It rolls up so pretty and convenient. You just pop it into your tool bag or however you store your tools. These blades fit most reciprocating saws. Milwaukee, Black & Decker, Craftsman, DeWalt, just to name a few. They are very handy, very durable, very sturdy. You don't have to worry about them breaking. They're built and they're engineered very well, very strong, very durable. Will actually be able to cut through the thickest of wood without a problem, as down to, the pipes, PC pipes, metal pipes, you name it. You will not have a problem with your project, completing your project with these blades. So there are so many, with 40 in the container. You can add to these as you need to, and you will be able to handle most of your projects, if not all of them. So if you are looking for something to either give as a gift or to keep in your home for DIY projects, then these will be for you. I am so appreciative of the brand owner for sending these over to me for my honest review, and I definitely give a 2 thumbs up and highly recommend these in your home for your projects. Thank you.